This farm near Bowling Green has the things you would expect to see in a rural setting: donkeys and cows, pigs, chickens, and bunnies, and some creatures that are definitely not from around these parts. The name says it all. This is the reindeer farm.
If you guys are ready, we'll go ahead and get started.
Each weekend in December, crowds line up to see the resident reindeer in person. To many people, it's a dreamlike moment.
I really love that people come and they didn't even know that they were real.
For several years, the Anderson family worked through state and federal regulations to get permission to raise and exhibit reindeer, and they finally got clearance in 2020.
We started with 2, and now we're up to 10.
In that time, they became reindeer experts, learning from farmers in Canada and Alaska.
Don't worry that it's ever too cold to visit here. Reindeer love it when it's below freezing and are actually quite active then. But the farm has also done things to make them comfortable during Kentucky summers.
We give them swimming pools in the summer. They have lots of fans in the rafters. Being a Kentucky reindeer, they grow their winter coat much later in the winter, late into fall, and then they shed much sooner in the spring.
People come here to get in the Christmas spirit, but also learn a little something.
It was very fascinating. They had female and male, and getting to see how their antlers shed and all that was extremely fun. Plus petting them was pretty cool.
The farm has enough activities to keep a family busy for hours. But it's the reindeer who are the pull.
It's pretty neat to see.
10 out of 10 experience, would recommend, and I'd do it again.
Kids often ask if the fences are big enough to keep them from flying away.
They only fly for Santa, so that's all Christmas magic. Nobody's flying around at our farm.
There is indeed Christmas magic here, more than 3,600 miles from the North Pole. That brings out the kid in everyone. In Bowling Green, Marvin Bartlett with the spirit of the bluegrass.